Wherever I go, I take my new best friend, the XIXVON umbrella, with me. I put it in my purse or my car because where I live it just rains super frequently and out of nowhere sometimes. So this is my favorite umbrella, and here is why. It has a little zipper down the side, which makes it super accessible to remove it and place it back inside. And it has a wrist strap along with the umbrella as well. They both have wrist straps. It is gorgeous, and they have so many different colors, a strong Velcro close, and all you gotta do is shake it up and press the button and it's ready to open. It also protects you from UV rays up to 50 SPFs, so that's also great if you're walking around during the day. It also folds inside out, as you can see, unlike other umbrellas, so all the water retains there and you can just flip it over and let it dry. I absolutely adore this and definitely recommend it. It is also a very big umbrella, so it'll give you a lot of room to stand under. Check this out on Amazon. It is an awesome product that I definitely recommend.